Hey there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I have a really nice advent calendar unboxing. This is the Great Christmas advent calendar by Catrice. It is the 2024 one. I bought this one myself. I wasn't really planning on doing a lot of advent calendar unboxings because I don't have a lot of time to actually sit down and record and all that jazz. So that is why I actually recorded this really quickly while my little boy was napping. And yeah, I'm just going to quit rambling right here and add some festive music. Definitely grab something to drink like a hot chocolate or something, a little something to snack, and enjoy this little unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I personally think this is a really good advent calendar. I really like the products that are in here. Oh, and if you hear a little baby, Aeon is actually right behind me, just playing around on the floor with his toys and just yelling out a little bit. So yeah, that is what you might hear in the background. But if you are into makeup items, especially just full-on cosmetics, this is the one for you. It originally was like 40 euros if I remember correctly, but I got it for around 30 because I bought it while it was the first week of December already, because I was planning on doing a video on it anyways. But yeah, it is discounted at the moment, even though December is already like halfway through. I would definitely recommend picking it up if it's still in stock, because these always tend to go really fast. So yeah, let me know if you would like to see more unboxings. I do still have the Essence Advent Calendar waiting for me to record and unbox. So that will be up in a week, maybe 2 weeks or something. I hope to do so before it's Christmas, but Christmas is like a week and a half away, so I really have to hurry up. But yeah, once again, I'm just going to leave it right here. Please relax and enjoy. Let me know what you think about this one. If you have gotten some advent calendars yourself, or maybe you've bought some for friends or family or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.